everyone, it's Julie here from the standing department. I'm doing my lean, and here we are at the buffer, and we don't know if it's a stain roller or a paint roller or even outsource roller. So my plan is now to spray it on the floor to say what it is, if it's a stain roller or for paint. It reduces transportation, and it's obviously organized, and there's definitely the 5S in our process here. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and then I will see you later then. So first I'm going to tape off the floor. Because I need a white underground so that I can spray in red saying stain. So I want to mark off the area first.
Okay.
So now I'm finished with spraying, and I'm going to remove now the tape from this one. I had some trouble with the can, but on the end it actually worked pretty nice. So, and this is how it looks now. Thank you for watching.